we're going to unbox an Easter kit from Saddleback Kids. I'm excited what's inside. I don't know what is inside yet, but I'm excited.
Me too! Me too!
Come on guys, let's open it.
What's this? What's this, Daddy?
Wow, it's in parchment, and as you can see, here's a card from Saddleback. Happy Easter! And it says here, "Hey, Saddleback Kids, we sure have missed you."
Hi guys, today we have a big lollipop. Is this for me, Daddy?
These are crayons.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can paint wonderful colors. We have 2 chocolates and 3 candies and a lot of more candies
Yes.
and stickers. This is for my paint guys. And I'm gonna paint wonderful pictures. Look nice.
And this is the activity booklet. It says, Happy Easter, Jesus is alive. And here's a Bible verse, John 3:16. For God to love the world, that He gave His one and only Son, that whoever believes in Him shall not perish but have everlasting life.
Okay guys, today we're gonna paint my egg. It looks so nice and it looks so beautiful. And please don't long pass.
You can never lump us in making.
Daddy, I'm not long passing here. Hi guys, my egg looks so wonderful. Can you make some green leaves on it? Hi guys, I'm done with my Easter egg. It's Humpty Dumpty because I love it so much. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a good war. All the king's horses and all the king's men put it and Humpty together again. I saw a cat. I saw a cat.
So right now I am going to paint all white first. This is the first layer. So I'm going to just
And this is my egg. It symbolizes the globe that Jesus died for everyone.
This is my egg. The one who is in here is Jesus. And here's a note, Jesus is alive.
Okay guys, so this is my Humpty. It has glitters on it, and flowers and wings, and another wing, and mouth and eyes.
Thank you, Saddleback Kids!
Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to our channel. Bye.